This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Mabry. Serene Acreage, offering a mix of gently rolling terrain, year-round mountain views of the Cohutta Wilderness, and over 800 feet on Little Mountaintown Creek. Multiple building sites make this parcel ideal for your custom home or for recreational use. A flowing spring on the property feeds into the large creek, where fishing, picnicking, or relaxing await. Accessed via a private road west/2 driveways, cleared walking paths wind through the property, and the small outbuilding is perfect for glamping while you explore nearby Lake Conasauga, Bear Creek Trail, featuring Mountain State Park, or the Pinhotti Trail. Minimal deed restrictions allow for flexibility in how you use the land, making this an exceptional opportunity for those seeking privacy, natural beauty, and convenience. For more information